took a beautiful spring drive out the AA highway in Kentucky over toward the Cave Run Lake area of Daniel Boone National Forest. We stopped by the Ringo's Mills covered bridge and then made our way to the Clear Creek campground at Cave Run. There, the Shelter We Trace trail cuts right through the campground and you can take it out to Furnace Arch. Trying out something new again. We are in the Clear Creek area of Cave Run Lake in Kentucky, and just had to cross that creek behind us, and it was pretty high. I had to take off all the shoes and everything. Going out to Furnace Arch. So this guy, he knows where we're going. Yep. This trail starts off with a climb of about 400 or 500 feet right off the bat. Once you get to the top of the ridge, which is a real butt kicker to get up, but it's very pretty. Now we're on a ridge line. There is a certain smell in the area when you get up on the ridge tops, sandy ridge tops with the pine and the rhododendron. And it's just, love the smell. It's something I want in a candle. Just reminds me of good times. And I'm sure if you've ever been to the gorge, you can relate. Oh wow, you don't even see it. And then some big steps up there. Wow. That's double up there, or if it's gonna be someday. This is Furnace Arch, sometimes called Carrington Arch. Never been here. It's right off the Shelter We Trace. Pretty windy up here today. That's a nice size arch. Right off the trail. A little over 3 miles from Clear Creek Campground. Let's see if we can go up top here. Is there a good view up there? On top of the arch, I mean, you see the narrow kind of ridge part. Good job. Well, the way up was interesting. A little scrambling there. And now we're on top of it. I want to step really carefully because there's all this moss. I don't want to hurt it. Step on the rocks and places where we're not going to hurt anything. Gets really narrow here at the top. There's the edge going down there. On just like a little spine of rock here on the top of the arch. Really nice. Pretty with the moss and lichen, and I don't want to step on the ferns, and very pretty. It's going to be a little sketchy to get down, I think. A little bit of butt sliding. It's really steep. But got up here and get down. Well, that was some butt sliding to get down that. So I'd rather butt slide than fall. Ooh, it's a wind tunnel all of a sudden right here. We're up high, you can see the forest below. You probably can't hear it with the wind, but there's little frogs peeping down there. Now we gotta make our way out of here and across the creek, and we have one more adventure today. And then going back the other way, this looks nice too. Nice hike. It's like 40-something degrees, so it's quite refreshing. Made it back from Furnace Arch. The last water crossing was cold. On our way to what?
Lockegee Rock, I think it's pronounced.
Lockegee,
Lockegee, something like that.
One more thing. From the campground, we made our way on Route 801 alongside Cave Run Lake to Route 1274 and then left on Forest Road 16. Going up to this rock here. We'll see what we find.
Unless that's not actually it.
Gotta figure out the way up here. We're not sure whether to go up here or over there where there's roots. Guess we'll figure it out, but you gotta get up through there somehow. There are lots of mentions of a rope here, but there is no rope. We found out it's been taken down. It probably wasn't safe. Wow. Made it up here, but that was a rough climb for me. But it's beautiful. You see Cave Run Lake. Soon we'll have some leaves on the trees. Not quite there. We conquered it.
We did it.
Made it up and made it down. That was some rock climbing that I didn't expect today after our 7 miles out at Furnace Arch. We did it. Beautiful sunset up there. Stick it in here.